In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a payday loan with bad credit in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over two alternatives to get a payday loan in the UK that you can consider, and I also want to make a quick disclaimer and say that if you are having trouble deciding if you want to get a payday loan, something you might want to consider is to read this article by the money saving expert, Short-Term and Payday Loans. As you can see, this is a very detailed article that's going to help you to find alternatives to payday loans and help you answer some questions that you might be having. With this step out of the way, this is just a suggestion that I want to give you. You will be able to access these two websites if you still want to proceed and get a payday loan. You can access paydayuk.co.uk or moneyboat.co.uk. These two services will offer you loans. As you can see over here, they describe the process when you scroll down on their page, and you should be able to be approved as long as you have a decent enough credit score. You can click this option, will be approved, to get more details to see if you are going to be able to receive your payday loan. As long as you are honest, even with bad credit, you are free to apply and get a response from them immediately. So all you have to do is go to their website, include how much you want, and then complete the questions that they have. Include all of your contact information, and as long as you are approved, they will be in contact with you, and you should be able to receive your payday loan that you have to repay. Always plan ahead and make sure that you can meet the quota. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a payday loan with bad credit in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.